Let's imagine you are a lumberjack. The more wood you cut, the more money you get, and you want to make the most. However, there is a catch. The faster you cut, the faster your axe will break because of quantity, speed, and force. Therefore, it might be not a good idea to going faster because it wastes your cost and the lost time by changing your axe so often. This is what I call the axe paradox, where manufacturing industries face the same problem. They employ a cutting tool like the one in the image to remove and make a part. It is like a knife with more than one side. And like you, they want to make the most in lesser time. However, there are two problems. First, the tool lost its sharpness over time. It's a progressing event that makes harder to cut and is called degradation. Second, the operation limits. In other words, the condition when you are going too fast or too deep. Under these conditions, the tool doesn't cut. It tends to vibrate or bending. It could damage the tool, the machine, or the component you are constructing, and it is due to a phenomenon called resonance. These two problems don't allow cutting companies to go faster without losing time, quality, or money. There are plenty of studies for both problems, but there is no an agreement of how degradation affects resonance. Therefore, we decide to study both problems. Our research has two goals. First, to understand how these issues might be related, and second, to develop an artificial intelligence to detect both. We have designed and done different experiments changing the cutting parameters, collecting and processing signal data, like in the image, from three different sensors: force, acceleration, and acoustic emission. For example, we got data from the resonance condition with a new tool, and we saw how data changed when using a worn tool instead. So far, our research shows that when the tool is not new, some limit conditions are lower than expected. In other words, you can work as faster than you want. It is important to know more about these problems and understand better the cutting mechanics. But what is important to you? Because as the lumberjack is about money. Cutting stores represent in the global market up to 34 billions of dollars every year. So the economic benefit of understanding this problem and using in the better way the cutting tool might be significant to the world.